with Christmas around the corner और थोड़ा सा गिविंग स्पिरिट में. Also, the idea to use the stumps that we have lots of small wood stumps and we wanted to use it. So we have decided to do some creative shapes, basically Christmas trees, and we have come up with about 10-12 shapes. और ये क्रिसमस ट्री की तरह बहुत अच्छे से आप डेकोरेट करके अपने अपने घर में लगा सकते हैं. तो यू कैन ईदर पेंट देम, पुट फेरी लाइट्स अराउंड देम, put glitter on them, put a star with a stick on them. All of these things are possible and they look beautiful. So let me not waste more time and show you these. If anybody wants these, we have lots of such waste wood and we'd be very happy to make these for you. So you can pick any two shapes for 500 rupees, and they're about 6 inches in height, 6 to 6.5, and about 3 inches in width, and they stand beautifully.